Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you, as you can already see, I am not at my normal setup. I am traveling right now. I am in a beautiful park at the ocean actually at the moment, but that's not relevant to you because you want to know what is happening in the charts. What is happening in the charts? It is exactly what I predicted in my last video. It is actually the exact price move that I told you to be aware of in my last video. I mean, maybe you guys can remember, but we have talked about this current weekly candle wicking inside of our ascending triangle and then actually closing below it. This is exactly what I said in my last video. Why did we expect that this weekly candle might wick into this ascending triangle and not get rejected at the ascending support directly? I mean, this was based on our liquidation levels that we had in the market. I showed it to you in my last video. We had massive available liquidations for exchanges and market makers at the $26,500 and the $27,500 level. So it was highly likely that the price might reach these levels for a short amount of time, trap a lot of new long position, and especially liquidate the short positions that were opened once we broke down out of this ascending triangle. Why did we even expect this breakdown to happen in the first place out of this ascending triangle? I mean, by the way, guys, I told you as soon as our current weekly candle is dropping below the $26,800 level, our weekly ascending triangle support, I would open a new short position. I also opened this new short trade. I will let you know in a second at what new price levels I will scale up this short position, so you know my exact game plan ahead of time, as always, if you want to integrate it into your own strategy, what I am pretty much doing and saying. But guys, what we saw in 2019, I mean, the people that watched my last videos know it anyways already. We had the ascending broadening wedge. We saw a breakdown out of it. We formed a beautiful ascending triangle afterwards, and that was broken to the downside. And after that ascending triangle was broken to the downside, we actually formed our second bear market low in 2018, end of 2018, beginning of 2019. What happened now? The chart was disappeared. I thought it's not loading for a second. But as you can see, after we broke down out of this ascending triangle, we saw our second monthly low, right, which was a higher low compared to our original bottom in the 2018 end of 2018 to the first month of 2019. And exactly the same is to be expected now, just because the price movements are actually so similar. I am as well, and this is what I've mentioned to you in my last couple of videos over and over again, expecting a second higher low on the monthly time frame in the upcoming months now till the end of the year, because again, if we take a look here at the weekly time frame, we have a massive amount of support here looking at the VPVR around the $19,000 to $20,000 level. This is still the area where I assume Bitcoin will wick into for a short amount of time if this bearish momentum now continues here on the weekly time frame. And how can we tell if this bearish momentum will continue? It's actually very, very simple. I will show you now on the smaller time frames. First of all, the first moment I will actually scale up my short hedge position here at the moment is, I mean, you already guessed it, if we are closing our current daily candle below our old daily candle closes. Because as you can see with our yesterday's daily candle, and that's why I'm also uploading a video now, because it is becoming dangerous now once again. I mean, we saw the exact move that I already mentioned in my last video, but it is becoming dangerous now once again. By the way, guys, if you watched my last video, I mean, comment down below if this was not the move I exactly predicted to happen. Please comment it down below. I mean, yeah, I mean, it is just what it is, right? But lucky for you, you are watching my videos. Hopefully you are subscribed, you have the bell active, so you're not missing out on anything. And now it is happening actually now during this video. We closed our last daily candle below all of our last daily candle closes. We closed the daily candle below our very important $26,000 level support. And I can tell you, if this daily candle, especially with the short wick above the $26,000 level, closes now at the price levels we are at right now, or even lower, or in general below the $26,000 level, we need to expect that over the weekend we will see a retest of the $25,000 level, or $25,250 level, our very important weekly horizontal support. And if this horizontal support First of all, if this daily candle closes like it is right now, I will open not a new short position, but I will scale up my current short position. This is the scale up scenario number one. Number two is for sure if our current weekly candle even closes below the $25,250 level. Because if this even happens, if we are not even closing it like this, but even below the $25,250 level, guys, I can already tell you the next week will be brutal once again for the Bitcoin price. That's why we need to be extremely careful. Please, guys, keep an eye on the Bitcoin price. It is a massive, massive opportunity, especially as soon as we go into the price range of $19,000 to $20,000. I told you in my last video already, everything below the $25,000 level, in my opinion, is a low leverage long swing open. But for now, we are still above it. For now, we are still focusing on our short hedge position for now. So guys, please make sure to keep an eye on the charts. Please make sure to keep an eye on the daily, people screaming in the background. Please make sure to keep an eye on the daily close today, because if we are closing it below the $26,000 level, this will be the first moment where I will scale up my newly opened short hedge position. And the second time will be, as I said, if our current weekly candle even manages to close below the $25,250 level now here during the weekend. Otherwise, guys, I will for sure update you in my next video next week in the case that we are not closing our current weekly candle below. And one thing I wanted to mention, make sure, guys, we are super active here in our Discord. Everybody is sharing their trade opinions, guys, their charts, everything that we are discussing here. I am leaving feedback on as well, by the way, guys. As said, join our free trading community on Discord, guys. I mean, just now, last month, there were prices of $15,000 distributed to our top traders that are in this Discord community that is completely for free for every single one of my viewers. And I mean, this month, I think we have total leaderboard prices of $35,000. So it actually went up by $20,000 if you are part of this community. Guys, I will leave you the link to my Discord at the very top of the description. Make sure you verify yourself that you are not a bot or anything like that. You support the community. And I mean, besides this, guys, just share your guys' opinion. I think it is extremely, extremely helpful for every single one of you in there. I mean, we can judge it by all the profitable trades the community is actually doing here in that Discord. But now, guys, I want to say goodbye already. I know it is not a video like you are used to it from me. I mean, I recorded it from the phone. I can promise you my next video will be back at my PC setup again, so that we can take clear and good look at the liquidation levels and the charts as well. But for now, I will actually leave my very nice and quiet spot over here and jump into the ocean for now, waiting for the current daily candle to close to find out if it's time to scale up my short position. But now, guys, we are going to see us in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, activate the bell, and leave a like. See you soon. Bye bye.